everybody, I'm just back. So I'm wearing these shoes, Nike shoes. So I'm gonna take off this one. Still have my red nail polish today. It's getting dark and there's a typhoon coming, and for now it's kind of dark, it's cloudy. So here we are, and then I have to walking outside with flip-flops. So I have my flip-flops here with me. So this is my flip-flops. It's dirty because it's muddy. It's raining. It's raining, man. So that's all for now. That's just so quick, and then I see you next video. Love you all, everyone.